It's not a matter of moral turpitude. It doesn't mean that she's a bad person because she's an alcoholic, but the alcoholism led to the worst case scenario, which is when you are, you affect somebody, you kill somebody, or you kill yourself, or you cause harm because of your drinking. And that is what happened to Sarah Boone. So she's in this unfortunate situation. But if she had asked for the attorney, tried to get counsel, she could have been looking at negligent manslaughter, or a smaller charge than a second degree murder.
Asked to stay on scene.
By both, yes. By both detectives, yes.
Okay, how long did it take the detectives to arrive after you had spoken initially with Deputy Rodriguez?
It was not right away. I don't know specifically, but it was not quickly.
Okay. Did the two detectives, when they arrived, did they take over the investigation?
It was my understanding, yes.
No foundation for her to conclude anything. Sustained.
At some point, were the detectives directing you what to do and where to go?
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain what the detectives told you as it relates to you getting in the car? What was the phone issue before the car?
Yes.
Sustained.
Let me ask you about the phone. When were you first asked about your phone?
From my remembering, it was once they arrived, one of the first questions that Hopesall asked me was if I owned a phone.
And what did you tell her?
I told her it was on the kitchen counter.
All right. And what happened next as it relates to the phone?
I believe that it was brought to her with someone else. I don't remember.
Sustained.
What was the next thing that you were told or talked to about as it relates to the phone?
Unlock it.
Who told you that?
Detective Hopesall.
How
I
did you
don't
unlock
doubt it.
She handed it to me, and
I
unlocked
don't doubt it that the detective said unlock it. Because remember how the detective said she was going to go talk. We're going to go to my car to talk now. We're going to talk now, right? The next day, we got to talk. We just have to. So I don't doubt that the detective used those words, unlock it. I don't doubt. And that is another problem because of the authority, because, these detectives are so used to having that authority that sometimes they don't bother to follow the rules